let's see how to set a color theme in Microsoft Word. So first, we want to open Microsoft Word. And then, to set a theme, we can go over to the Design tab. And you can see as I click here, it will preview that theme. However, we can't really see the different settings or formatting that the theme has because we haven't set the titles and the headings yet. So let's go ahead to the Home tab and set those. For title, let's click title right here. For the headings 1 and 2, let's click heading. Now that we have those, we can go back to the Design tab and click on the theme that we want. So this one. And to change the color scheme of that theme, click over on colors right here. And then, as you can see, if we click it, it automatically changes the colors of that theme. And that is how you change the color theme in Microsoft Word. See you soon!